You're here because you already know SUV repairs can turn into financial nightmares. But what if you could choose models that almost never leave you stranded with four-figure shop bills? In this countdown, I'll reveal 11 SUVs that are not only reliable, but also famously cheaper to maintain long-term. Some of these choices deliver savings you won't believe compared to the so-called popular options everyone flocks to. By the end, you'll know exactly which models keep your money in your pocket, not in the repair shop's cash register. Number 1. Toyota Highlander. Can a family-friendly SUV really deliver peace of mind without draining your savings? For many buyers, the promise of comfort and space often comes with repair bills that pile up quickly. Too many mid-sized choices look appealing at first, but lose value fast once problems appear. The Highlander is different. It's widely recognized for consistent dependability, built on Toyota's long-standing reputation for durability. Owners praise its ability to perform predictably year after year with fewer unexpected issues. Its sturdy design means lower than average repair costs compared to classmates in the same segment. Many report reaching beyond 200,000 miles before major expenses even enter the picture. That's why this SUV has earned its place as the smart pick for families who want reliability and affordability together. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V might be compact on the outside, but when it comes to savings, it delivers in a big way. Many small SUVs promise affordability, yet end up hiding expensive problems, turbo issues, weak fuel economy, and costly fixes drivers never expected. That's where the CR-V stands apart. Honda has built a reputation for reliable engines and transmissions, and the CR-V benefits heavily from that track record. Owner surveys consistently show satisfaction with its long-term durability. Its design focuses on efficiency and avoids unnecessary complexity, which means repair bills stay modest and resale values stronger than most of its rivals. The payoff here is simple. The CR-V continues running for years without major breakdowns. It's the compact SUV that almost never surprises owners with huge repair costs. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. Can a rugged off-roader actually make sense for everyday ownership? That's the question many ask when they look at the Toyota 4Runner. On one hand, SUVs built for trails usually sacrifice comfort and rack up higher repair risks if pushed hard. Owners know off-road use can lead to wear that translates into heavy shop costs. The 4Runner, however, stands out. Its engine has a reputation for reliability, even though the design is older than many competitors. While it's heavier and burns more fuel, the simplicity keeps repairs straightforward and predictable. Some drivers do note it feels loud on the highway and can sway more than car-like crossovers. But here's the payoff. This model routinely lasts longer and commands strong resale value. Buy it for longevity, not luxury. Number 4. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is the luxury SUV that flips the script on what premium usually means for your wallet. Most high-end SUVs carry a reputation for constant shop visits, where a single repair can soar past $1,500 because of complexity. That's not the case here. The RX benefits from Toyota's engineering foundation, which keeps breakdowns far less common and routine maintenance easier to manage. Industry reviewers often highlight it as one of the least expensive luxury SUVs to keep long-term, a rare achievement in this segment. Drivers avoid the horror stories of $5,000 repair disasters seen in rivals while enjoying upscale comfort. In short, the RX offers luxury owners consistent reliability without the crushing financial burden that the status brands are notorious for. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. When people talk about compact SUVs, the Mazda CX-5 doesn't always get the first mention, but it deserves attention. It's often called the underdog because while others win buyers with flashy features, the CX-5 proves itself with consistent dependability. Many crossovers impress in the showroom only to break down before hitting their stride, leaving owners with bills that outpace their budget. The CX-5 has built a strong reputation in owner surveys. Praised for both its reliability and its responsive performance, drivers enjoy a precise, engaging feel. Yet maintenance stays simple because the design avoids the complexity of heavily turbocharged rivals. That means fewer headaches when something needs attention. The result is straightforward. The CX-5 keeps driving fun without forcing you to fear repair costs. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. Why is the Toyota RAV4 one of the top-selling SUVs in America year after year? Many vehicles with high sales hide unpleasant surprises. Engines that fail too soon, transmissions that cost thousands, or maintenance schedules that drain savings. The RAV4 takes a different path. It's engineered with balance in mind, combining performance, efficiency, and durability in a way that keeps ownership simple. This approach gives it strong reliability scores and builds loyalty among drivers who want predictability. Even the hybrid version stands out, delivering excellent fuel savings without the dreaded battery failures that scare away buyers in other models. The bottom line is clear. RAV4 owners typically handle only modest, predictable costs. Its popularity isn't hype. It's proof of long-term reliability that protects wallets. Number 7. Honda Pilot. Three-row SUVs often promise space and comfort but hide expensive problems. Transmission failures and complicated electrical systems are common complaints, and repairs in this category can reach painful price tags. That risk has made families cautious when shopping in this segment. The Honda Pilot avoids that trap. Its V6 engine has proven consistent over the years, designed with family use in mind. Transmissions are tuned for durability rather than quick wear, keeping major breakdowns rare. Owners also benefit from straightforward upkeep, which is simpler than the maintenance schedules of oversized competitors. This approach pays off. Many Pilots regularly surpass key mileage milestones without the dreaded $4,000 or $5,000 repair bills. For families needing space and reliability, the Pilot delivers both without creating financial stress. Number 8. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is one of those SUVs that quietly proves luxury doesn't have to drain your wallet. While many premium SUVs look tempting at first, they often come with scarce parts and shop bills that spiral into the thousands. That's where the MDX separates itself. Built with Honda DNA, its powertrains have a long history of reliability, and replacement parts are far more affordable than the ones attached to German luxury models. This connection makes ownership a safer bet for anyone worried about $7,000 or $10,000 engine-related surprises. Strong resale values further support the MDX's case, as it maintains durability while offering more space than smaller options. The payoff here is luxury features, sporty character, and peace of mind without those crushing repair invoices. Number 9. Subaru Forester. Can a compact SUV really handle harsh winters and rough conditions without sending you to the mechanic? That's the question many ask, since all-wheel drive systems are often linked with bigger repair costs. The Subaru Forester challenges that assumption. Its symmetrical AWD system is designed for balance and stability, distributing power evenly for predictable traction in snow, rain, or dirt roads. Unlike overly complex setups in some rivals, Subaru's engineering keeps things straightforward, which reduces the chances of mechanical headaches. Owners also point to its strong safety scores aligning with low-stress ownership. The payoff is clear. Foresters regularly hit high mileage and continue running smoothly without surprise expenses. It's dependable AWD utility that avoids the costly service surprises of larger SUVs. Number 10. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is an unusual mix. Serious off-road ability paired with the comfort of a luxury SUV. That's not what you'd expect in a segment where most capable trucks eat through parts and suspension systems after heavy use. Repair bills for those vehicles can be punishing, but the GX tells a different story. It's built on the same proven foundation as the Toyota Land Cruiser, a platform known worldwide for strength and reliability. This backbone means fewer unexpected failures, predictable maintenance, and durability that keeps owners on the road longer. Many report logging well over 200,000 miles without major repair events. The payoff is clear. The GX delivers rugged performance and high-end comfort without endless breakdowns. A rare combination in today's luxury SUV market. Number 11. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson might surprise you on this list because its past reputation wasn't flattering. Older versions from around 2011 through 2017 were often linked with engine and transmission problems, making them a financial gamble and turning many buyers away. That history left a black mark, but Hyundai addressed those issues in newer redesigns. Starting with 2018 models, significant improvements boosted quality and helped restore buyer confidence. Owners now report fewer major failures, making it a safer choice. Another advantage is Hyundai's strong warranty coverage, which protects against unexpected repair costs better than many rivals. Combine that with lower day-to-day ownership expenses, and the modern Tucson becomes a smart long-term investment. It shows that improvement matters, and today's Tucson finally provides dependable, low-cost ownership. Not every SUV is built to empty your wallet. By learning which models stay dependable and avoiding those with hidden repair traps, you can save thousands over the years. Reliability, resale value, and predictable maintenance often matter more than flashy features or fancy trims. When shopping, remember that buying a vehicle designed for uses you'll never need only adds wasted cost. Focus on proven track records instead of hype or short-term appeal. These 11 SUVs show ownership doesn't need to come with constant breakdowns. Smart research means more savings and fewer headaches every mile you drive.